Ilkay with Composites Lounge, creating sustainable value from Istanbul. Welcome to our Composites Lounge 360 on tour, where we are covering topics around about innovation, technology and sustainability. Important is that we look at things holistically. That means from the raw material, through component manufacturing, up until the operators of parts, components, assemblies, and get their voice into the story. The voices that will be part of our Composites 360 on tour will be given through interviews, subject matter talks, expert talks, and finally we are also introducing the Composites Lounge Engineering Talks. For these engineering talks, you are required. So if you have an innovation, technology that is sustainable in place, in operation, let us know and we will be giving you your slot and opportunity to disseminate this with the world.
Ilkay, Composites 360 on tour with Composites Lounge weekly on LinkedIn, YouTube and your preferred podcasts.